What's up, guys? Welcome to a command block tutorial playlist. I started this playlist because I enjoy using command blocks and I want to share with people how to use command blocks because I know that they're fun and a lot of people don't know how to use them, but if they took the time to learn, I know they would have fun too. So that's what this entire playlist is about. Let's get right into it. I'm going to put each thing in a different video. If it's really small, two will be put into a video. But for now, let's get started with one. You want to go to settings, and from there, you want to make sure cheats are activated. You want to scroll down here, activate cheats. You want to go to chat and command, and you want to put in /give. This is the first basic command that will give you anything that's in Minecraft, of course. So you're going to put /give, the person you want to give it to. At A, as you can see, it's all players. E is all entities. It's all listed up here. And this is Bedrock Edition, by the way. This is for Bedrock Edition. I'm not sure commands for Java because I've never used Java. These are all Bedrock commands. Etc. And if you want a specific player, you would put in their username. Mine, for example, is MintPine 1607621. You put in the username, or if you're just giving yourself one, then the shortcut for that is just putting @s because that is for yourself. And as you can see, there's plenty of things to choose from. This is all we can see of the list. There's way more things. Whether you wanted a creeper egg, you put, most spaces are just underscores. So creeper, and if you don't know exactly how it is, then just put in what you think, and so far it should give you what it is. For example, that's /give creeper egg. Boom, I got a creeper egg. All the way to wood. Doesn't matter. Then you could also use this to give you things that you cannot get from your inventory, such as a command block. So if I give myself a command block, then there are many things I could do with that, and you're going to need something to activate the command block. Now these are basically, they're commands in block form. They're what they sound like. But there are many things you can do with them. Let's start with block type. There's impulse, which is just either, if you're doing a chain command thing, which is basically putting them, and it matters where the arrows are too. So if you're doing a chain, which means if this command block happens, if something happens that's on here, like if I clicked a button which made this happen and that happened, that would make that happen and that happen. But you'd have to set the very first command block to impulse, and you would have to set all the ones behind it to chain. Now, you could keep going if you wanted, or stop it too. There's also types. There's also a specific type called repeat. This just does the command, but it repeats it over and over and over again. Pretty self-explanatory. Now, this one should be pretty self-explanatory. Needs redstone or always active. If it's always active, you don't need a button, a lever, you don't need redstone or anything. It's always going to be doing that command. If it needs redstone, then you have to click a button for it to do it, click a lever, redstone, etc. If you're annoyed with other feedback, like something happened letting you know that this worked or something, like for example using the found player one, which we'll get into another time. It always says found the player, but you'll never, it can get annoying when it gives output. You can go /game rule, put command block output, and put false to make it not come out, and put true if you want it to come out. Now, there is a slight difference, not much, but there's a slight difference in command block output and send command feedback. They're both messages, they're both annoying. if you ever have anything that you think I might be saying wrong, please correct me, because I'm not always 100% sure what I do. And you could put false or true. Okay, that is all for this video. I taught you all the functions. In another video, I'll teach you actual commands you can use. Goodbye.